Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you the recipe of romaine lettuce salad, which is really simple to make and it is full of flavor. So this perfect bowl of salad is not only just healthy and tasty, but it also has proteins, good fats, vitamins and minerals, and it is also a perfect lunch or dinner for any kind of diet. So let's check out the ingredients for this recipe. For making salad, we need chopped carrots, chopped capsicum, olives, chopped celery, broccoli, few jalapenos, some chopped avocados, some chopped tomatoes. We are using here fresh mozzarella cheese, some sliced almonds, croutons. Also I'm using black pepper, some mixed herbs, salt and romaine lettuce. And for dressing I'm using here cilantro avocado yogurt dressing. It tastes really good with this salad. So let's start the preparation now. Now we'll mix all the vegetables. So we'll add celery, carrots, capsicum, avocados, broccoli, tomato, olives, and we'll add some salt, and black pepper. Also add the mixed herbs, jalapenos, and mix all these vegetables. We'll mix the mozzarella cheese and croutons into it, and we will add the dressing. And we'll mix it. And as a topping, we'll add the sliced almonds over it. And mix again. Here our fresh and healthy romaine lettuce salad is ready, which is very easy to make. Hope you guys will like it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more recipes and let us know your views in the comment section.